Imagine baking a loaf of banana bread that's as natural as it gets. Start with 3 large, ripe bananas mashed to perfection. Combine them with a 1/4 cup each of melted coconut oil, maple syrup or raw honey, and unsweetened applesauce. Now, for the flours, mix 1½ cups almond flour with 1/2 cup of gluten-free oat flour, a touch of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and perhaps a sprinkle of nutmeg if you're feeling adventurous. But here's the secret ingredient, aquafaba. Yes, that's the liquid from a can of chickpeas. Whip it up until soft peaks form, then fold it gently into your batter. This magical ingredient adds lightness without any processed additives. Feel free to stir in some chopped nuts or dairy-free chocolate chips for an extra treat. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. What comes out is a delightful, ultra unprocessed banana bread. Savory, sweet, and perfectly risen, thanks to nature's own leavening powers. Enjoy a slice of wholesomeness, fresh from the oven.